It's been 2 years since I finished these stairs. Well, almost finished them. The railing, one of the simplest parts, still waits for its turn. Every time I pass by, I tell myself, I'll get to it soon. Come on, kids. Upstairs, it's no different. When we moved in, I built these custom plywood doors for these IKEA cabinets, Baltic birch. Just beautiful, but I never got around to finishing them properly. This one, no finish at all. I really hope that sanding can save it. This one only has one coat of lacquer, but it turned cloudy, almost like a white glaze. And this last one, it got 5 coats of lacquer. It's perfect. Except for the corner where the dishwasher's heat and humidity have stripped it bare. Every project tells a story, and this one feels unfinished. Most of the time, I try to fix the mistakes, or at least figure out where I went wrong. But as useful as phones can be, my phone usually takes me away from the work itself.
What are you doing in bed?
I'm just trying to figure out which finish to put on these cabinet doors.
Okay, well, we're eating.
I'll be right there. Let's go. In the bathroom, the story's the same. Cables sticking out of the wall, waiting for those 2 lights that I never found, or maybe I just stopped looking. The mudroom is another chapter of unfinished plans. I installed the floor, even designed the perfect space, cubbies, cabinets, everything. But that's as far as I got. The designs are still here, tucked away, reminding me of what could have been. I even bought the right fridge for the space. My garage is a recent victory. I finished the concrete floor, but for the walls, they're still waiting for their moment. Do I install drywall, plywood, OSB, maybe pegboard? I can't decide. But I know I need to do the electrical first, one thing at a time, or so I tell myself. Since the day we moved in 4 years ago, I finished painting these walls. I always thought we'd get around to hanging family pictures and art, but that day never came. I'm very proud of this bathroom renovation. I had plans for this nook here to have some sleek functional shelves, but here we are. Towels, bath toys, random products, all piled up. Every time I walk in, I tell myself, one day. The closets in this house were another project of mine. I built them all, but I didn't finish them. Drawers were always meant to come later, and now it's been years and they still haven't arrived. Every morning, I have to look at this mess and think, as soon as the workshop's done, I'll build the drawers. Maybe then life will feel a little more organized. The kids' closet, no different. The same unfinished story, but with more toys and clothes scattered around. And my wife's closet, well, I shouldn't be showing you this, but if you hit the like, maybe I'll show you. Here it is. It's almost winter here up in Canada. Let's step outside and see what's waiting out there. Out here it's different. The projects here, big and small, remind me why I love working with my hands. This deck, this fence. For once, this space feels finished. But as always, there's still more to do. The backyard. This backyard is my favorite escape. The pavers, the pool, the gazebo. They remind me that sometimes I can actually see things through. Soon, I'll have to close the pool for winter, but not today. Not really in the mood. That's a problem I'll leave for another day. And then there's Halloween decorations left out. There's always something in the way. At least the Halloween stuff is easy to deal with. The leaves, well, that's another story. And more things left behind by the kids. my goodness, these children. Oh, this shed. Don't even get me started with this shed. It's a disaster. One day I'll tear it down and build something better, but for now, it's just storage for everything I don't want to think about. It's a never-ending cycle. Fix one thing, renovate another, clean one thing, pick up another. But maybe that's just how it's supposed to go. Maybe it's the process that matters.
I hate winter, I hate winter, I hate winter.
And maybe a house is never meant to be finished. Maybe that's the beauty of it. And now that I have a YouTube channel, maybe I'll finally get around to it. Who knows, maybe I'll actually complete all these tasks.
So, I hope you guys enjoyed my nightmare of a house. A lot of projects were done, but also a lot of projects were not done, not completed. And hopefully, who knows, maybe all of these unfinished tasks end up being finished video projects. So, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you want to keep following along. And if you want to see some really big projects, check out these videos.